Nan, who's rain for you?
No one.
Ikaw rain, kahawig mo si kuya.
May said pa dyan kumurag upaw si kuya.
I was gonna watch Blackpink's concert last year. Pero, hindi ako pinayagan. Ayos, no? Hindi ako pinayagan kasi I'm not gonna be sleeping at home. And then pinayagan ako PBB. I slept there for 100 days.
Situationship. You guys low-key like each other pero hindi naman super duper pero you guys are talking to each other every day, updating each other every day pero wala naman talaga kayong label like ang gulo, no? Tapos mapapatanong ka lang talaga, what are we, no?
Are you guys saying you missed me? Parang hindi pa man nag-one day.
I felt bad for the bangus, kuya. Nakikita ko yung face niya, yung mata niya nakatingin sa akin. Na parang wag ko siya i-cut, pero kailangan ko siya i-cut.
Ini-imagine kong ex kita.
Ano lang po, pre?
Ini-imagine kong ex kita.
Bolo.
Tanggal ko yung tinik, pero natanggal ko din yung laman.
Hindi lang yung challenger, punta sa loob. Pa tayo naghihirap para...
Kasi kung tayo nasa loob, mararamdaman ba natin yung challenge? Thank you and you're welcome.
Thank you, Ringo.
Thank you kasi making us. You're welcome because I know you're enjoying it.